Hello everyone! Today's video is about conditional sentences. Before we start, we shall make sure we know what conditionals are and that we know how to spot them. First of all, conditionals are used to describe the result of something that might have happened in the past but did not, or something that might happen in the present or in the future. Since they can refer to different moments, the past, the future, or the present, they are made using different verb tenses according to what we want to say. Basically, the general format of a conditional sentence looks like the following. You can either have the if clause in the beginning, followed by a comma and by the main sentence, or also called the main clause, or you could have the main sentence in the beginning, followed by the if clause. The if clause contains the subordinate conjunction if, or a different word or expression that has a similar meaning. For instance, we could use instead of if, assuming that, supposing that, provided that, or unless. Also, in general, that part of the sentence is optional. In other words, it can be removed and the sentence would still be grammatically correct. The second segment of the main sentence or the main clause represents the main idea of the sentence, and it would make no sense without it. Indeed, if we remove it, the sentence is incomplete. In this video, we will explain 3 different types of conditional sentences.
The first type of conditional is the zero conditional. It is used for a scientific fact, a general situation rather than a particular one, the universal truth or a certainty. This type of conditional is formed using 2 verbs in the simple present, one in the if clause and one in the main clause. This not only applies for the affirmative form, but also for the interrogative form and the negative form. Now for an example. If you melt ice, it becomes water. If you melt ice is the if clause, and it becomes water is the main clause. As you can see, both verbs are in the simple present. In this type of conditional, you can swap the if for when without it changing the meaning. Now it's time for an exercise. Try to form an answer before it appears. You can pause if you need more time.